Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to track inventory levels in Monday.com, your complete 2025 guide. Let's get started. First things first, you need to create a board in Monday.com. This is where you'll track all your inventory. Just click on the plus icon on the left sidebar, select Board, and name it something related to your inventory. This step is crucial because it helps you organize your inventory in one place and makes tracking much easier. Next up, let's set up the columns in our board. Click on the plus Add Column button and select the Numbers column. Here, you can enter the name of your products and their respective quantities. The reason we do this is because it allows you to see at a glance how much of each product you have in stock. Now that we've done that, let's move on to setting up the status column. This helps us because it gives us a clear picture of the status of our inventory, whether it's in stock, low, or out of stock. To do this, click on plus Add Column again, but this time select Status. You can customize the status labels to suit your needs. Once you've got your status column set up, it's time to add an automation. This is where Monday.com really shines. Automations can send notifications when your inventory is running low or even automatically order more stock. To set this up, click on Automations in the top right corner of your board, then select Create New Automation. You can customize the automation to suit your needs. For instance, to send an alert when an item's status changes to low. This is important because it ensures you never run out of crucial inventory items and can restock in a timely manner. Now that we have our board set up, items listed, status column in place, and automation running, we're all set to keep a close eye on our inventory levels. The great thing about Monday.com is that all this information is in real time, which means as soon as something changes, you know about it. To wrap up, tracking inventory levels in Monday.com is all about getting your board set up right, keeping your items listed with their quantities, and using automation to stay on top of your stock levels. And there you have it, your complete 2025 guide to tracking inventory in Monday.com. Keep your inventory under control and your business running smoothly.